Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine and enjoying the time. And today's topic is a very good topic which I've come up because many people, many girls, and many women ask me about this, and it is the topic about how do I keep my hands and nails so strong. So I'll be sharing my routine over here, a simple one which you can do every week, and I love this to do every week whenever I have to change my nail color. This is the trick which I follow, and this is what I do, and it's a very simple 5 minutes 6 minutes video. You'll love this. So let's see what I do for my hands and nails. Today I'll show you my nail care routine because many people ask me about my nail care routine. So I'm first removing all my old nail polish and cleaning them thoroughly, and my nails are just trying to grow because I had my long nails already broke, and I always never use fake nails. So, and over here I had like a like something. I just used 10 different colors, so I have all colors on my 10 fingers. So I'll just remove this and I'll show you my nail care routine. Here I've taken enough of half filled water, and it is warm. How much you can resist you need to take, whether you can resist cold or hot, you should take warm water. And now you should add some Pantene shampoo. I'm using this Pantene shampoo actually. Oh, this is conditioner. So these are all the tool kits which I bought from Dollar Tree. So it looks like this. Just we need 2 or 3 things just to clean our nails for weekly basis. And over here I have an old toothbrush. I'll be adding some shampoo, and over here I'm adding the Pantene shampoo. Just a drop will do, not much. Yeah, that much is more than enough. Now I'll soak my hands in here. I'll dissolve this. So I've added soap. Now I'm adding some vitamin E skin oil. Actually, it's very good for nails also, hairs also. So I'm just adding 2 drops in here. So I soaked my nails for 10 minutes. It's all dirt and all came out. So now I'm just brushing it. And I have one more video. I'll put the link below. Just clean your nails well, soak it well, and see the nails become so clean and nice. And you can do all this at home and save $50 to $60 by not going to the nail salon. It's so good.
Not by accident, I'm sorry.
So here are all the tools which I got this from Dollar Tree, and it's a very nice, it says it's a manicure set and you don't need much. And if you feel that your nails needs to be cut or shaped well, you can just use this filer and just use this to file your nails and clear your edges of your nails. So I've done all that before so that I don't waste much time. And this is a cuticle pusher where you can remove all this dead nails. Like, see, I have. So I'll just remove this well. I'm showing you only one nail because I don't want the video to be too long. So this is again another nail cuticle pusher where you can smoothen the nail. Just clean it well. So this is done. So nails look very good now. So I have olive oil over here. Now I'll just dip my fingertips and my nails into this, and this oil I've only kept for the nails, and this is so healthy that I'll just massage over here now, one by one. Just massage in the circular motion, and you need to do for both the hands. I'm just showing you how I do and how I take care of my nails. Now I'll put my left hand, dip it. Actually, you can dip and keep it for 5 minutes, but just to show on the video and all. So this is the oil only for olive oil, and I'll just be massaging with the tips. So just massage. So I've cleaned my nails well, I've dried them well, and now I'll just apply some nice nail polish. And this is actually everyday routine cleaning every week, but the main one is you need to add lemon and all, and I have showed that in my other video. I'll put the description below. So I'll just apply some nail polish, and this is how every week you can do a simple nail routine. This is a very basic, simple for small girls and teenagers actually. And one of the teenager girl just wanted me to apply a nice blue shining nail polish, and this is a very old, like 20-year-old nail polish which I had bought it from Walmart, but this brand is no more there, and it says New York color, and this was only for 99 cents or 98 cents, and it is says that it is Grand Central Station color. So I'll just apply one, and after applying for all the 10 fingers, I'll show you, but I'm going to show you how you need to apply nail polish for just for a basic teenager. So just take this, just do a stroke in the middle, then the stroke in the side, and then cover your other nail with the other stroke. And this nail polish is too light, but if you apply 2 or 3 times, it will give a very good color. And now I'm taking a thick one, and see, now the color is really showing very nice. So here I've applied my nail polish, and teenage girls love to apply all this kinds of. So this is how my nails look, and sorry about that, you heard some music and all. My children just on the TV without knowing that I was recording this video, so excuse me for that, but see how it came out. And you can always buy nail polishes which only cost $1 or so. You don't need expensive things. Without going to salon, you can have the best nail care, and you only need to be little innovative, like how I can beautify my nails. This is how I follow even for my toenails. So I hope you girls like this, and I'll meet you in the next video. So here I finish doing my manicure, and I have done it very simply so that all the teenagers and young girls who don't have money to go to the salons and want to do something on their own, this is the best. And teenagers can do like this, small girls who like to do their own nails can do this, and my nails are not too long this time. So this is how it looks. I hope you all liked it, and you will send me pictures when you do your nails on my Instagram, and let me know how you did, and I'll be so happy to see your pictures. So enjoy your nails. So here I've applied the cream. I have finished doing everything, and this is the ring which I found after a long time in my closet. I don't know when I had bought it, but it looks good. And one good tip is, whenever you sleep and once you have washed your hands and all, don't forget to moisturize them. And over here I'm using Winter Candy Apple. It's from Bath and Body Works, and I don't know how much it was. It was a small bottle only for $5, so I really like this. So always use a good moisturizer. Take this and apply it in your palms and hands and make them very smooth, and your nail polish will always look good. Your hands will be soft and smooth. So always moisturize, have happy hands, make a happy life. So I hope you all liked my simple video, simple tips, and you don't have to go to the salon, nothing. You can just have good nails and good hands at your own home without spending $30-40 in a salon. So it's all free of cost. Everybody has a nail polish in their house. Everybody has olive oil. Everybody has little shampoo, and do it at home. You have good things, and you know what you're doing to your hands and fingers. So you can have very good hands and nails every day, every month, every time. You can have your own nails, own colors, and you'll be so happy. So I hope you follow this. This trick was for teenagers, for women who and all want to have great nails, and short nails, long nails. I have given enough topics on this. So I hope you all liked it. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye girls. Love you all.